Today I am going to discuss the exact paper pattern of 12 bookkeeping and accountancy subject. But before proceeding further, let me introduce you with myself. This is Professor Pawan Chandrakar. I have been in this teaching profession since last almost 20 years. Well, to start with, the paper pattern of bookkeeping and accountancy. The entire paper of bookkeeping and accountancy written paper is of 80 marks. 20 marks are assigned for the project work. Now let's discuss the paper pattern, the questions one by one. Question number 1 is of objective. It carries 20 marks. See, in all there are 10 types. 10 types of objective sets are there, of which any 4 type of objective sets can come. It means students, you will not have any type of option. You will have to study all these types of objectives in detail. In last year's syllabus, there was a choice to the students. In an examination, 5 sets of objectives were there, of which students, they were supposed to attempt only 4 types. It means they have got the option to select any 4 objectives. But my dear students, this year you will not have any choice of selection of objective sets. It means compulsorily you will have to study all these 10 types of objective sets. Now, which type of objective sets are there? Let us try to understand one by one. Look at this. The first set is select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. It means that you have to select the correct option. The problem will give you any 4 options. Any one of the option will be correct. You have to select the correct option and you are supposed to rewrite the sentence again. So this is what the first type of objective set. The second type of objective set is give one word, phrase or a term. Means a particular sentence will be given to you. You have to write the correct answer. You have to write the correct word for it. Say for example, the personal withdrawals made by the partners in a business. What those personal withdrawals? We call it as students. Yes, those personal withdrawals we call it as drawings. So you are supposed to write a word drawings against it. Another example is the initial investment made by the partners in a business to initiate. See, the initial investment which is made by the partners, you very well know, it is capital. So you have to write the word capital against it. So this is what the second type. The third type of objective is true or false with reason. See here, any true or false sentence you need to attempt, and each question will carry 2.5 marks each. See, whether the particular statement is true or false, you have to write. If the statement is true, you are supposed to write true, and if the sentence is false, you are supposed to write false. But in both the cases, you will have to give the reason for it. Okay, this question will carry 2.5 mark each, and any 2 true or false questions you are supposed to attempt. See, rest of all the questions will carry 5 marks. Okay. This particular question also carries 5 marks, but one question will have 2.5 marks each, and you need to attempt any 2 questions. The next type of objective can be find the odd one. Here, odd one means what? Problem will give you any 4 words. From these 4 words, 3 words will belong to the same category. One of the word will be different. That different word, we are supposed to find it out. That will be our answer. Say for example, let me give you one simple example. Bill payable, creditors, outstanding wages, and debtors. Now students, tell me, which is the odd man out? Yes, debtors is the odd man out. Rest of all the 3 items belongs to a liability group. Debtor being an asset, that will be your answer of odd man out. So this is how you are supposed to attempt this particular question. Find odd one. How? Find odd one. The next type of objective is fill in the blanks. Here the problem will not give any type of options. Means here you have to write your answer according to your knowledge and thinking. The concept should be thorough in your mind. If your concept is thorough, then you can attempt this particular question. Find it carefully. Here the question is fill in the blanks. Problem will not give you any type of option. You have to apply your mind and accordingly you have to attempt this particular question. Okay, this question will also be of 5 marks. 5 fill in the blanks will be given to you with no option. You are supposed to attempt all these 5 questions. The next type is answer in one sentence. Here question will be given to you. You are supposed to write the answer only in one sentence. Say, take for an example, what does partnership deed? So students, you very well know partnership deed means what? Partnership deed is nothing but it is a written agreement in between the partners. That's it. This much only you are supposed to write. As it is answer in one sentence, you are supposed to give the answer in one sentence only. That's it. The next type of objective is agree or disagree. A particular sentence will be given to you. You are supposed to read the sentence very carefully, understand it, and in case if you agree with the statement, you are supposed to write agree. In case if you disagree with the statement, you are supposed to write disagree. That's it. The next statement, the next type of objective can be calculation. It may based on certain calculations, like the calculations of RDD and depreciation. Let me illustrate these calculations with one simple example. Let us suppose a partnership is having a machinery, plant and machinery worth rupees 1 lakh. The problem has given us a rate of depreciation of 10%. It asks us to calculate the depreciation. Now students, how will you calculate the depreciation? Cost multiplied by the rate of depreciation. Now students, here the cost of the plant and machinery is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh multiplied by 10 upon 100 gives you 10,000. Yes, so 10,000 would be the depreciation of that particular plant and machinery. So this is how basic calculations will be given to you in this question, and you are supposed to attempt these questions the way I said. You just need to calculate, you just need to write the formula, need to substitute the values and find the answer. Nothing doing. It's very simple. The next type of objective can be a specimen of bill of exchange, okay, wherein you will be given, the problem will give us relevant details like the name of the drawer, name of the drawee, date of bill, bill amount, etc., etc. We just need to fill all these details in a particular format, that is bill of exchange. We need to make a format of bill of exchange with the relevant details. This question may also come for 5 marks. Then the next type of objective can be complete the table. A particular table will be given to you. In that particular table, certain information will be inserted. Certain information will be missing. That particular information we just need to fill and complete the table. That's it. Nothing doing. So this is how these are the 10 different types of objective sets which can come in the examination. This is the probable set which is given by the Maharashtra State Board. Any 4 type of objectives can come in an examination. So students, as there is no option, you will have to study all these types of objectives in a detailed manner. Okay, so this is all about the objective sets. I hope you must have understood. Let me proceed further for the next question. As the paper is of 80 marks, students, just now we discussed question number 1, which is of 20 marks. The rest remaining questions are of practical in nature. Let us try to understand those questions in detail. Look at this. Question number 2 is basically a practical question. It has got 10 marks. It will come in an examination for 10 marks. This particular practical question will cover bill of exchange and admission of a partner. Any one question, students, you are supposed to attempt. Question number 3 is also practical in nature. Here the topics, the questions which will come in question number 3 are retirement of a partner and death of a partner. Any one question you are supposed to attempt. This question also carries 10 marks. The next question, question number 4 is practical. This particular question will cover 2 topics. The first one is dissolution of a partnership firm, and in an option, company final account, that is issue of share. It is a general entry based question. Okay. So any one of the question you are supposed to attempt. This question will carry 8 marks. The next question, question number 5 is practical cum theory. Here one question will be on practical aspect and the second question may be on computer account. The second question can be on computer accounting. First is analysis of financial statement and second one is computer accounting. See here, you can attempt a practical question. I generally advise to students to attempt a practical question instead of going for a theory one, as it is quite story in nature. So this question carries 8 marks. The next question, question number 6 is practical. It is a compulsory question and the topic is accounts of non-profit organization. This question will come for 12 marks. The next question, question number 7 is also a very important question and compulsory. Here this particular question covers partnership final account. It will come for 12 marks. So this is how the entire paper pattern is of. The entire paper is of 80 marks and you are supposed to attempt all these questions. I hope you must have understood the exact paper pattern of bookkeeping and accountancy. In my coming lecture, in the coming sessions, I will be discussing the very core important topic, partnership final account. So please stay with me. I hope you must have understood this particular paper pattern. Further, in my coming sessions, as I told you that I will be discussing partnership final account. So do like my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much.